take responsibility of maintaining those gutters, and are these gutters going to be there throughout the village? If it's going to be done only in one place, and it doesn't seem to fit the purpose of the gutter, because there will be a blockage at one end. Now the very next day, if we have elected representatives coming and supporting International Film Festival, festival which does not even have any licenses, which has the authority to put up generators, to put up a big loud speaker that is even taller than my height, which is about 10 feet, and all this which is near about 2-3 meters from the noise monitoring station at the helipad. Now we ask all the bodies, the Goa State Pollution Control Board and the High Court, to please take cognizance of this issue, that in the village of Anjuna there are events that are taking place that do not fear such monitoring systems. So we ask the GSPCB to please come and have a monitoring, please come and evaluate regularly, because these events are happening daily and we are tired as a village to have to go through this daily and to have to beg and plead at the court's door, because up till now the authorities that we have reached out to, which is the panchayat that we have reached out to under section 112 to prohibit nuisance, under which noise, water pollution, all these nuisances come under, have given us no response because they are not aware of how they should proceed. Secondly, the police is saying it is not in their jurisdiction to go and take action, and when we have 112 calls, there is always a unanimous reply: no music is heard. Now this no music is heard is evaluated by the beat cop who uses his ears. When the High Court and the GSPCB has put noise monitoring stations, how are we to accept hearing by the beat cop as a confirmation that there is no noise? We require some more strict action against these venues, and we plead to the High Courts to please take action against these, as it is becoming very burdensome to coexist in this village. This village is turning into a village that is only for tourism. If you have a look around the village, there are very few establishments directed at education. There are schools, but how many stationery shops are there? How many internet cafes are there? How many printing shops are there? Are we as a village, just because of the close affinity to the coastal belt, are we for the future generations only going to serve tourism? We ask this from all the villages in Goa, from all the authorities, to please take action, and we are ready to host tourism in regards that will be beneficial to both the tourists as well as to the local population. Okay. Yeah, so that's about it. We will submit another reminder letter to the panchayat. Multiple copies of the memorandum have already been submitted to all the authorities. Individual applications have also been submitted to the authorities, to the panchayat, stating that we do not want new clubs opening up, we do not want this noise pollution, and yet we are still awaiting action. The reason we are here today in the morning is not because all of us do not have any work to do. We are here for a cause that this is our village. Many of us have taken break from our work, we have taken leave to be here. We are here because it stands for a common good. We are hopeful that the panchayat, a body that was put in place to help the people, will be able to serve its purpose for the villagers in that village, and not serve the purposes of investors who are sitting in their cozy homes elsewhere and out of Goa. Thank you. Just one more thing to be kept in mind is, last month, in the month of October, we had the Swachh Bharat campaign. We had Swachhata Hi Seva, and there there was the Indian Road Safety Week, which was held in October. The government had issued notices to all the panchayats to please promote road safety and to promote any kind of cleanliness. But any person or any tourist visiting the village of Anjuna in this season can have a look at the garbage dumps, at the roads. The roads are in a pathetic condition because of the massive construction going on all across. There is no monitoring. There is heaps of sand, of stones, of rubble just displayed. The gutters are clogged. We need to take decisive action, and action that encapsulates all of these in one go. We cannot fight single individual battles for long. It is time that authorities that have been elected to this post take action to help and support the villagers who stay in this village and they themselves who stay in this village. Thank you everyone for